This is practice test 4, problem number 5, and we're going to be working on letter B in this video. The problem states the scores on a statistics test were normally distributed with a mean of 73 and a standard deviation of 8. Answer the following questions. And the question for letter B is, what is the probability a student scored between 65 and 89? So we want to calculate the z-values for both of these scores. First, I have calculated the z-value for 89, and that is the value of x, 89, minus the mean of 73 divided by the standard deviation of 8, which gives me a value of 2. And when I go over to my normal distribution table and I look up the value of 2, which is 2.0, I get a value, this is my value for z, 2.0, and I get a value from the table of 0.9772, and that tells me the area to the left of this score, 89. So this entire area to the left is 0.9772. Now I calculate the z-score for 65, and it's 65 minus 73 divided by 8. That gives me a z-score of minus 1.0. When I go back to my table, I'm going to look up the z-score of minus 1.0, and I have an area to the left of that of 0.1587, and that tells me the area to the left of a score 65 is 0.1587. Now in the problem, I'm looking for the probability of a score between 65 and 89. In other words, the area between 65 and 89 under this curve. If I take the area to the left of 89 under the curve, the entire area, 0.9772, and I subtract from that this area over here to the left of 65, which is 0.1587, I get a probability of 0.8185, which is the area in between those two scores. So the probability that a student scored between 65 and 89 on this exam is 0.8185.